Hey everyone, it's Daniel here from Bacha Tech Tips, and if you are looking for ways to clear cache in your Windows 10 PC, you are in the right place. I'm about to review some easy and quick ways to clear cache in your Windows 10 PC without being a tech guru. I understand that clearing cache in your Windows 10 PC can be a little bit difficult, especially when you are a non-tech guy or a lady, but don't worry, because today I'm going to share with you quick ways to actually clear cache in your Windows PC. So let's dive in. Yeah, the first thing to do when clearing cache is to come to the Explorer here, and you come to your PC, and then you come to the C drive here. You double click on it, and here at times you find the old Windows files here, but currently I don't have it. And then from here you come to Windows, you come to the Windows directory, and then here what you're going to do is to look for software distribution. You can see software distribution here. Software distribution, you double click on it, and then here you come to downloads, you double click on it, and all these files are all files that are not needed. Actually they are taking up spaces. Let me highlight it, and then you see the amount of space that we're gonna get out of it. So you see, we can literally clear almost about 253 megabytes, and this is another better way of actually getting space. So what we're going to do is to actually clear all these things are not needed. So all what you need, I just right click it, and then delete all everything here. Delete everything here, and you can see that everything is cleared over here. You close, then you come back, and then type in run. You can see run here, or in other words, you can also hold the Windows key plus R, and it also open the run directory for you. And what you need to do is to actually type in percentage temp, and then you click OK. And what you do is to clear almost everything here. Let me highlight it for you to also see what we would save out of this. So this is what you can also save. I think there's not much. This I've recently actually deleted some, so I think you can always save size on this almost about 51.6 megabytes. So what you need to do is highlight it, and then delete. So some of the files I'm actually using some of them are here, and so they can't be deleted. So next up is to reset your Windows Store. This should solve issues you have with your Windows Store. So you come to run again, and here you type in ws reset. Here you've got to be a little bit patient for it to be able to reset your Windows Store for you, and this should solve issues that you probably have with your Windows Store. So you can now see that our Windows Store has been reset. So any issues with Windows Store is being stopped here. Next up is to come and then clear browser data, and you can do this with any browser, whether Opera Mini, USB, Google Chrome, and I'm going to use this one. And you come here and you come to the settings, menu, and here you see it says choose what to clear. You click on it, and you choose all what you desire from here, and then you click on clear. You can actually put it on and off based on your desire. So I think it has been cleared, and that is all. You come back again, and then come to the settings menu again, and you come to privacy, and here you come to location, and here we are going to clear the location history. As you can see it here, the location history. So here you click on clear, and this one is also cleared. That is it for this one. Next is to come to command prompt, cmd. You can see the command prompt here. You right click on it, you run as administrator. Here what you need to do is to type in ipconfig ipconfig//DNS, and this should flash all the cache in there. This should actually flash all the cache in there. So you can see here, successfully flash the DNS resolver cache. So that is that for it. Next is to use the cleanup manager tool. You come here, type in disk clean, and you see it here. You click on it. You see it has selected the C drive. You click OK, and then you see it cleaning the disk, and it has given you additional options to clean more. I'm gonna choose this. You can see the recycling bin has almost about 8 points. So this is another way to also clean the recycling bin. Aside going straight to the recycling bin, another way of cleaning the recycling. So you can see after we are through with this, you just click on clean up system files. You click OK, and you see it doing additional cleanup for your C drive. So it has also come up with another additional options to clean it up, and I'm gonna choose this again, click OK, and you see it cleaning it. So you can see it here. It said that this clean utility is cleaning up unnecessary files on your machine. So this, in other words, will help you save a lot of cache on your PC. So you've got to be patient a little bit for it to do the cleaning up on your Windows or your drive C. Next is to come to the system restore to claim back some space, and you come here, and what you can see, if yours is on, you see it here. You can't see it here. What you need to do here is to configure the system restore, and you can see the current usage of mine is almost about 3.15 gig, and that is taking a lot of space. What you need to do is just delete this 3.5 gig, delete it, close it, and then come back OK. And then what you need to do is to recreate a system restore. I'll call it clean, and then a new system restore is created. A new system restore point is being created. Yeah, so you can see that a new system restore point has successfully been created. So if you come back and look at this one and come back again, you see that we have been able, now the current usage is around 11.45, so we have been able to claim back almost about a whole lot of system restore point here. So that is it for this. So that is how easy it is to clear cache on your Windows PC. Hope you like this tutorial. Like, subscribe, and hit on the notification button for any video that comes up. See you in the next video. Cheers.